How to find unlimited content ideas for your social media in 2022. This promise may sound unrealistic to you, and I get it. For most people, it's super challenging to come up with even a few ideas for their social media content, especially when you're not used to creating content in any way or shape or form. That's where the creative block really starts creeping around. You're like, yeah, this is gonna be tough. But if you stay inside your head and try to come up with all the answers yourself, things are not gonna work out. And don't worry, you're not gonna hire or have to pay any people to get these ideas. One of the most incredible things about the internet is that you have direct access to tools, ideas, and overall, just a bunch of people doing interesting things, and you can see what's working for them and what's not. You don't need to rely just on your own creativity, you can leverage other people's as well. Look, I post a lot of social media content. On YouTube alone, I'm posting 12 videos per month. On Instagram, average of 5 posts a week, and that's not even counting stories. The same goes with TikTok, roughly 5 a week. Facebook, it's roughly daily if you include the blog content that I'm promoting on there as well, or just random images I'm posting. On LinkedIn, I post on average 5 pieces of content a week. Twitter, I don't do too much posting, roughly 2 a week. Podcasts, roughly 1 a day, that's 30 a month. That's a total of 130 posts across all my social channels. That's a lot of social content. And I have a team to back me up and help me not only create the right content for the right social media channels, but also schedule and handle it. But you're probably gonna have to do things on your own. And that's okay, because when I started doing everything on my own too. And I'm gonna show you how to do it on your own effectively and get all the ideas out there without having a team like me. So here are a few ways that you can start collecting ideas for social media. First is questions from your customers. What questions do they have? Consider answering them. Comments on your content. See, when you post up content, people leave comments. If people all like a specific comment, that means other people have that same issue, post about it. I also love looking at Quora. Quora has so many interesting things like, what does it take to be Olympian, right? That's really cool stuff. When you see stuff that's really popular in your space, leverage that, post content around it. Then you have Facebook groups. Look at what users are complaining about, their pain points, what they're commenting about, what they're helping each other about. This all happens within Facebook groups within your industry. Heck, you can even look at FAQ pages on competitor websites. This provides tons of feedback. Then you got Twitter search, you got YouTube, you got any platform out there like Ahrefs, SEMrush, even Ubersuggest. It all tells you keywords that people are looking at. Heck, you can even use the Ubersuggest Chrome extension, so that way when you're on YouTube, it shows you other related topics and ideas that are popular as well. And you can see what videos are getting traction and which ones aren't, all through the Ubersuggest Chrome extension. Then you got Google Alerts. What's popping up? And if you're not sure what's really sexy in your space right now, look at Google Trends. It'll show you what's booming within your space. Then you got Feedly. Subscribe to tons of blogs within your space. You'll see what they're cranking out. Watch the content as it starts to trend really quickly, and that'll give you ideas. Then you got BuzzSumo. It'll break down all the popular content within your space. Or you can just use Ubersuggest content ideas, and it'll show you the most popular contents, not just based on social shares, but also backlinks and SEO traffic. Now you got content that works for social media and SEO.